Okay, so we are here now at Canada Place, Port of Vancouver. So this is what happens when you come here going to Alaska cruise. There's a lot of people around. You can take taxi from your hotel. So this is what's gonna happen to you. I'll show you the cruise, I mean the ship that we are going to take. This is the Volendam Rotterdam cruise ship. That's the one. I will get you closer. So when you arrive here at Port of Vancouver, it's gonna be a lot of people. This is only one ship, but usually more than 2 or 3 ships will wait for embarkation. This is the Holland America line. It's not really huge. This is just the smallest one. This is like 1,200 capacity. And most of the ship is like 3,000 to 4,000 to 5,000 capacity. So this is just the smallest one, but this is huge already. And that is the Holland America. Let's go closer, and then we're going inside and show you what's going to happen, because this is also my first time. Oh, lots of kids. They are loading the maybe the foods and equipment, whatever they need for 7 days cruise ship. Okay, we're going inside now to put our luggage. So we're gonna use the ramp. That's what the lady said, the volunteer said, which is, I said, it's very dangerous. Well, let's see. So you have to be prepared for this. Okay, if your car will not drop you in the parking, you have to do it by yourself, going to the ramp, which is this one. Usually the car, your taxi or Uber will drop you over here. But since that my Uber dropped me at the front hotel, now we have to walk. All the way to the end. Some they use bus and they drop you over here. Line up over here. Volendam? Okay, this is the lineup. So we have to line up over here to drop off our luggage. Oh. I just follow you.
We don't want you to fall.
is what it is. Are we on the right?
Are we on the right?
No. She said B2, right? B.
Where are we?
B as a boy.
P2. P2. Are we on P2 though?
P2 is the button. Yeah, we're on the P2 floor. I think it was...
Yeah, we're on P2.
Okay.
So, where are we going now?
We're on the parking lot.
Oh, sorry.
How come there's no one
No one is guiding us.
receiving?
I see people. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. It's over here. Oh, it's
Oh!
there it goes
What's
again.
gonna happen?
It's coming here. Here. There's a arrow here. Okay.
Where's the people? Hey. Already. So we have to walk all the way from the elevator, single elevator, to the end of this parking spot. Oh well. A correct luggage tag. So if you put this tag and it's wrong,
Yeah, they're going to your room. They should be in your room by about 3.
you have to put your ball and dumb baggage tag, whatever cruise ship is. What we did was wrong, so we have to taxi can take you here right away, not on the. You don't need to walk from the front of the hotel. They can drop you over here right away. You don't need to walk. So that's gonna be. Then they put your.
Check your passport again.
There we go, and then we go up over here to level G. So this is where we're going to now.
Straight.
More walking.
Oh, straight.
Get straight. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you.
There we go. And that's
Oh,
back to the cruise.
this is
Back to the ship. Oh look. Just they're processing the paperwork. So this is where we're going. This is ball. Oh no, we. Hello. So we're gonna check in. Check in. So we came early for check-in, so there's not a lot of people yet. We have after this check-in, we have to go to the security. I guess it's the American security, immigration, I guess. To then go to downstairs, one floor down, for the security. So before we can board, we have to go security.
yes.
Lot of process. Lot of process for this relaxation. I like that view. Now go here. And this is the security. US security board. Then we have to go this passport. See if you're qualified. Okay. So we're done for the, what do you call that?
Custom.
Okay, we're done with the custom. Now we can go board the the ship
Boarding the ship.
to the Holland Volendam.
Volendam. Holland American.
Let's see. It looks like they are holding area here.
Yeah,
Wow.
we gotta wait. Oh boy, that's so many.
Is it your first time calling America? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Go to the lady.
It's not that many.
Have a seat first.
Which lady?
This one. This one.
There, it's not that many, eh?
No. The lady's waiting.
Oh, the waiting.
Okay. It's not that many. Not that many.
No, I think.
I think this is the final stage. Final stage. Where are you now? This is the final stage. No. Not there.
See?
I'll take picture of you very quick. Ready to spend money again? Two? That's our ship, Volendam. Oh. Okay, ito.
Hello,
We're going boarded. We're going in. We're going.
We're boarded. I mean, we're checked in. Whatever. Embarkation. Embarkation now.
Okay, that's the Volendam. This is how you do it.
Wow. That's so cool.
This is how you do it. We're gonna see what's inside.
Can I have your
Passport?
Boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
Oh,
So you have
Scan.
to check the passport and boarding pass.
oh, maybe like this.
It's okay.
Oh, even backside. I mean,
Even my battery is running down, so
running.
running up, down. Dolphin deck, saan tayo?
Dito na tayo. Deck mo tayo.
Huh? Deck 1? So this is the deck 1.
Wait till that. Over here. Over that. State room's going there.
1848.
Yeah, 1827.
Oh, look at that. So they already put the baggage here.
1829.
1848.
Huh?
1848.
That is 1834.
34?
Yeah.
So this is the 34.
Other side. Wait down dyan. Ah, okay kuya.
1834 is
The other side.
the other side.
That's thank you.
Okay. So where is the 34?
34. 32.
The opera, the fancy.
Here.
34.
Meaning fridges.
Key cards.
So you have to pick up the card. Go.
It's like a hotel. Come on in.
So come on in. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is our room. It's not that big.
Wow.
It's good for 2-person lights.
Lights? I don't know.
It's no lights yet. So this is how it is. So this is our cabin, a small one. I guess depend on your budget. There's a small TV here and your clothes thing. And what's this? Another full clothes. A lot of full clothes. And this one. And there's someone in the washroom. See, already used. As you can see, you can check out here, over there. And that's all folks for today. I hope you like my blog for how you go, how to take cruise. So and this is the shower room. Look, the shower room is not bad too, for two person. You can take a shower. That's all folks. I hope you like this vlog.
We're now in the dolphin deck, they call it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ocean
it takes
view.
below the deck.
What's below the deck?